Hey guys, Jonathan Peace here. Today is the last day for our Black Friday sale, where you can save up to 15% site-wide on everything: steering wheels, exhaust clamps, other interior accessories. But I just wanted to go over and show you some of the features on our steering wheels that make them so unique. I've got a couple of our steering wheel series here to show you the differences between them and what makes them so unique. First off, I've got my Heritage Series Infinite steering wheel. It's a multi-piece steering wheel where it is overall depth is 4 inches, and the internal adapter bolts into the center hub. So this bolts directly onto your column. You don't have any external adapter on the back of it. So this is the complete assembly. This is the native stone gloss with our ink black. So it's nice and glossy and gives a really nice contrast look between the grip and the polished horn ring and center horn button. And then here's our Muscle Series, which is, more of like a muscle car feel, very structured and strong looking. This is the truss D shape, and you use our 5-axis machine to machine these inner pockets. And this is also a multi-piece steering wheel, where the grip ring, it's a full leather wrap and bolts onto the center. We will be offering several more grip designs. This is our smooth. Then we'll offer one with 10 and 2 humps, and then also finger grips on the back, and those are soon to come. Our driver series is a little different, more of our cost-effective product, but it's a lot flatter than the others. It does have an external adapter on the back of it, so that bolts directly onto your column. And this is a half wrap design versus the full wrap with hand stitching on the Muscle Series. We do offer the Heritage Series in a leather wrap, which will be a 2-piece, top and bottom, on both this one, the Infinite, and also our straight side. And if you were to get the steering wheel, this is actually our Triple Crown round, but if you wanted to get it machine finish, this is what it would look like. So if you were trying to finish out a steering wheel to match the rest of your interior, you could have your interior shop do the leather wrap on it to match, or if you just wanted a nice industrial machine finish, this is what you would be getting. So that is the different series we offer at the moment, and we are working on more products to come very soon. Stay tuned.